Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm live here in America. So today's video guys, ay gagawa tayo ng brownies. Yes, this is, I'm using Duncan Hines dark chocolate fudge. Yes, instant brownies siya. So ibibake natin siya today para mamaya meron akong dessert after dinner with coffee. So this is good. So let's start, magbibake na tayo. So first thing I have, gamit ako ng bowl for mixing my brownies. So madali siyang gawin. Madali siyang gawin na brownies. So ngayon guys ay ininit ko na yung oven ko, 350 degrees. So i-mix na natin siya. Halo lahat ng mga ingredients. Gamit tayo ng scissor to open. Lagay natin dito. Kita nyo ba guys? Adjust natin yung camera. Ayan. There you go. Ihalo lang lahat ang mga ingredients. And tapos mix mo lang lahat. Madali lang siya gawin. Nandito na siya sa loob ng bowl. Ay! Tinapong ko, hindi ko tingnan yung mga ingredients sa loob. Alright, so maglagay ako ng 2 eggs. 2 eggs. So, lagay natin dito. Cup water, 1/3. One-third cup of oil. Yes, 1/3. So, lagyan ng tubig. One-third cup of vegetables. Madali lang siyang i-follow. So, 1/3. Tapos, i-mix na natin siya. Mix. Madali lang siya gawin kasi instant na siya. Instant brownies. Pag nag-mix kayo ng pag nag-bake kayo, kailangan nyo ng muscles. Ayan. Talagang you need to mix. Masyado siya, smooth and thick. Madali lang siya. Tapos mamaibig natin siya ng ilang minutes na. Let's see. Ilang minuto? Siguro mga 20 minutes. Oh, here. Hindi ko nakita. Mga 21 to 23 minutes ibibake. Yan. Ayan. So, ito na yung itsura natin ng ating brownies. Yan. Tapos maggamit ako ng, ito yung gamitin kong pan. Tapos mag-spray tayo ng oil. So, kunin ko lang yung oil. Okay. So, I'm using canola oil. 0 calories. So, spray na siya dito. Para hindi siya mag-stick yung brownie. Tapos buhos natin dito. Kita nyo ba guys? So, let's pour it. So, tapusin ko lang to, haluin ko lang lahat, tapos balikan ko kayo pagkatapos ng brownies namin. Tapos ng brownies, pakita ko sa inyo ang finished product. So, I'll see you guys later. Okay guys, so habang tayo naghihintay ng aking brownies na maluto, nasa oven siya ngayon, ay pupunta muna tayo sa labas sa aking small patio. Ipapakita ko sa inyo ang aking maliit na garden. So today ay i-harvest ko yung tomato na it's ripe already. So i-harvest ko siya today. So let's go outside. So here, so meron akong kasama ngayon. Nandito yung kasama ko. Oh, so we're here outside in our patio and say hello. Say hello.
Kamusta?
So i-harvest namin yung yung tomatoes today. So nakita ko sa inyo ang maliit kong garden in our patio. So ito yung mga tanim namin. Ayan. Meron akong ditong sweet potato, kamote sa Tagalog. And then yung mga Swiss chard ko, ayan. And this is tomatoes also is growing. And I have okra right here. And more bok choy. I mean, Swiss chards. Yung mga Swiss chards ko dito. And tingnan mo yung my okra. It's pretty, look. It's getting big. Got more okra there. And I got more Swiss chard here. And the floor, tinago namin siya para hindi siya too much sun. Kasi pag too much sun, hindi siya lumalago. Kaya tinago namin siya. So, ito yung tomato namin na i-harvest ko today. Yan, kasi ready na siya. So big na. You wanna harvest it? So we're gonna harvest our tomatoes. First time to harvest our tomato. There you go. Yeah, ang laki niya. This is like a German tomato. Look, there's a hole in there. Look. That's one. And then yung isa naman, we have a lot of tomato here, guys. Yung tomato namin, this is original tomatoes. And we have cherry tomatoes and more tomatoes. Ayan. Dami naming tomatoes. Ay, this is sili. Sili yan siya. Siling maliit. And I have more sili here. Tingnan mo, namumunga na siya. Ayan, namunga na siya yung sili namin. Yeah, I have more sili here. More sili. I'm excited sa mga gulay namin, guys. Tumubo na siya. And again, we're gonna harvest this one, number 2, na tomatoes. Ayan, harvest natin siya, guys. How about this one too? It's ready. I'm gonna harvest it. There you go. Look at that. First time i-harvest namin yung aming gulay na natanim. Yay! So excited. Ayan. So ito yung na-harvest namin. Diba? Excited. Masaya talaga pag may mga tanim ka sa garden mo. Kahit maliit yung bahay nyo, guys, magtanim kayo ng mga gulay. Ayan. Para mayroon kayong ma-harvest. Pag kailangan ninyo ng gulay, meron na kayong makukuha. Ayan. So, that's it. Harvest natin siya, guys. Ayan. So, let's go back inside. Did you cut it, look? Did you cut it? Here.
Everything's good. No problem.
Yeah, so my husband is already cut. He already cut the one piece of tomatoes. I'm washing it right now. Ah, may langaw always. Smart yung langaw pumapasok. Yeah, so that's it. That is our harvest today. This is our first time tomato.
Looks nice.
Yeah, we can make some salsa.
There you go.
Yeah, salsa. Ay, naku, yung langaw. Ano ba yan? Let me open the door. The langaw is so wide. Nabulay. Where is it? Matalino yung langaw, ah. Pumapasok kahit maliit na bulas. Yes. So, Yun ang na-harvest namin today sa aming maliit na garden, guys. Excited na ipakita sa inyo na mayroon na kami nakukuha sa aming garden. So, mamaya ulit guys, pakita ko sa inyo ang aking brownies. Hindi pa siya tapos. So, kita-kita tayo mamaya. Hi guys, so ngayon tapos na ang aking brownies to eat. Tanggalin natin siya sa oven. Yes, so hot. Ayan. Ito yung brownies ko guys. Pakita ko. Pakainit yung oven. Ayan na siya. It's ready. So, ipapulat na natin. Ayan. Ang init. Ayan na guys, ang aking brownies. Napaka sarap and firm. So, let it cool down a little bit bago ko siya i-cut. Ayan. So, that's my dessert for tonight with hot coffee. Ayan. So, that's it. So, that's my vlog for today, guys. Baking and harvesting my vegetables. So, ayan. That's it, guys. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I hope I can see you again next time. Have a nice day and God bless. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Bye guys, and see you again next time.